Hello everyone. Welcome to another exciting project in our endeavor for learning Python. We will be building an animation of a sunset in this project. It will be a very simple animation where we will learn to move shapes. We will also use some new functions in this project to manipulate the shapes and sprites. Since we will be moving the sprites, we will need to create shapes and sprites and save them into a variable. We are doing this so that we can reference them later, using those variable names while moving or changing them. Let's start the program. Create a new project and delete the parts we don't need for our project. Let's fix the window size by calling the setSize function. Fix the width and height to 450 and 600 pixels. You can also give a title to the output window by calling the setCaption function. Give the title as a string type of data. Create a variable called sky and call the rectangle function inside it. Make both x and y coordinate as 0. The width and height will be window.w and window.h respectively. Write the color as blueberry. Draw this sky variable inside the draw function. Run to test. We just built the sky and it covers the entire screen. Now we will make the lower third of the screen, a C. Make a C variable and call the rectangle function inside it. The x-coordinate, y-coordinate, and width will be the same as the sky rectangle. The height will be a third of the window's height, which is 200 pixels. Draw this variable inside the draw function. Run the program. Looks great. Remember, since we drew the C rectangle later, that's why the C is on top of the sky rectangle. Now let's draw the sun. To find the position of the sun, place your mouse somewhere in the sky and record the XY coordinate. Create a variable called sun and call the circle function inside it. Write the recorded coordinates. A radius of 40 pixels seems enough. Color the circle in orange. Now when the sun sets, it should disappear between the sky and the sea. So inside the draw function, draw the sun between the sky and the sea. Since this is a sunset animation, the sun will slowly slide down and disappear into the ocean. To make anything move downwards, we need to decrease its y-coordinate. So we will decrease the y-coordinate of the sun by 1 pixel every time the draw function is repeated. Remember that the draw function is called repeatedly forever. You can get the current y-coordinate of the sun by writing sun.y. Subtract 1 from it. After subtraction, we will get a number which has to become the new y-coordinate of the sun. So assign the answer of the subtraction to sun.y again. Run the program to check. You can now see the sun slowly sliding down and disappearing behind the ocean. Now let's build a cloud. This can be done by creating 3 circles of different radii placed side by side. You can use the values shown in the video. Draw these circles inside the draw function towards the end of the function. We want the cloud to move towards the left of the screen, which means decreasing their x-coordinate. Subtract 1 from all 3 circles' x-coordinates. Run the program, and the cloud is gliding effortlessly. We now know how to control the movement of any shape. The movement for the sprites is also done similarly. Let's add a sailboat on the ocean. Create a variable called the boat and call the sprite function. Copy the source for the boat sprite from the material library. Set the coordinates of the boat. Draw the boat sprite inside the draw function. Run the program. You can see that the boat is too big for the output screen. Let's scale it down. Just below the line where we made the boat variable, Write the boat.scale equals 0.2. This will decrease the size of the boat to 20% of its original size. In the next line, call the flip function for the boat sprite. This will flip the sprite horizontally. Now run the program. You can see that the boat is now appropriately sized and facing the right side of the screen. I'll leave programming the movement for the boat as a practice exercise. Add another boat facing the left side of the screen and program it as well. The final project will look something like this. And there you have it, an animation of a sunset. We will meet again with another exciting project in the next video.